Surely you're a fan of pulled pork. If you are, you can do this at home. It's really not as difficult as maybe some folks think, and you can do it on just a simple grill like a Weber grill. It's Monday morning, and I promised the family that I would create some pulled pork for them, so I've went out and purchased a pork shoulder, better known as a Boston butt. I'm going to show you how I prep it, get the grill ready, show you what this is all about. For me, I like a good rub on barbecue or smoked pork butt. It's a good sized piece of meat, has a good fat layer as you can see, but not too much fat. I think it'll be about right. I'll show you the rub that I like to use. This is a local product that I like to use from Missouri. It's called Strawberry Shake-On Seasoning. It's got a nice mix of everything in it. Really good flavor though. We're gonna rub it in. We had to slap an ND filter on because it's pretty bright out today, but this is my kettle grill. Standard Weber grill. So I have this old drip pan that I put right up against one side. And what we're gonna do is put charcoal around the outside edge that's unlit, and then I'll put my hot charcoal on this side and it'll just work its way around and keep the grill warm for a long period of time. So let's get that started. See what we've done here is we've got our hot charcoal here and then just unheated charcoal around the outside, and what that'll do is slowly heat and make its way around the outside edge, keeping the temperature consistent for a longer period of time. And I found this works really well for Boston butt or turkey or anything that you need to smoke for a long period of time. And then we'll add some wood chips to add some flavor and stuff as well here in a little bit, but for now that'll get us started. On fat side up. Lid on, bottom grate wide open, top grate about halfway.